Timmy is a little boy who leads a regular life, but one day, an unusual brother appeared in his family. This brother turned out to be no ordinary baby, but a real boss. He wears a suit and tie, and always has business and plans. Well, what plans do you have for today? Perhaps after watching this video, you'll decide to undertake something interesting? Timmy works as a boss in a large corporation called Baby Co. He is a very intelligent and talented child, but he also loves to play and have fun. His favorite color is red, and he has a best friend, a little guy named Eric Bell, who also works with him at Baby Co. Timmy can fly thanks to a special suit, and he can shoot lasers from his eyes. Timmy has learned to be brave and courageous. He is not afraid to overcome difficulties and pursue his goals. Timmy is a true adventurer. Together with the baby boss, he embarks on thrilling adventures and solves mysteries. They even create their own children's detective agency. Perhaps you also dream of going on an exciting adventure and solving mysteries? One of the important messages of the cartoon is that family is always important. Timmy might get annoyed with his unusual brother, but ultimately he understands that his brother is an important part of his life. The cartoon teaches us to cherish and love our loved ones.